Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set tax reminders in Hubspot CRM. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM web account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Hubspot? Very simple. Launch in browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Hubspot. Once again, that top corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click that and flow through the also prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, you can click this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features of an exciting time in HubSpot. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to set tax reminders in HubSpot. Now, from this homepage, you're going to have to head over to the top corner of your screen. Once again, to this, you're going to find contact, conversations, marketing, sales, concepts, automation, and reporting. These are headings. So go ahead and click on contact. This is going to take you to this extended menu that has contact companies called activity and list. Remember, you can set tax, contact companies, or deals. So we set a tax and contact, and let's see how we can set a reminder in the tax we set to contact. Now go ahead and click on contact. And once you click on contact, it's going to open up this window where you have all your contact organized and managed. So you're going to have to select the contact created tax on. I'm going to open that up and it's going to take me to this window. From this window, all you just need to do is to head over to this space where I have overview and activities. So change it to activities. So right now it's under the activities tab, all right, or the activities window. So here you have upcoming and you have tax assigned to amendments. This tax has been created. If I want to set a reminder to this tax, let's say I forgot to set a reminder while creating, or I just made a decision on the spot. So go ahead and click on the tax. And once you click on the tax, you will now be able to edit this tax. You're going to see here that has reminder. So all you need to do is to head over to the spot that has reminder. So from here, go ahead and click on this drop down menu and set a reminder. Now I can set the reminder for a tax due or 30 minutes or 1 hour before or 1 day before. All right, so let's say 30 minutes. So we set that to 30 minutes. Setting to repeat is for premium users, so you can get that done. But this is pretty much how you can set tax reminders to tax in HubSpot. As you can see, this is pretty much the process. All right, this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.